morning, Prananda. I am Dr. Nalumma, working as a professor under the Department of Pharmaceutical Analysis at SNS College of Pharmacy and Health Sciences at Coimbatore. And this is my lecture video about this complexometric titration. In this pharmaceutical industry, the quality control department was playing a vital role. Why we need to give such importance for the quality control means, if the manufacturing part was over for any pharmaceutical dosage forms, it will reach to the market. During this manufacturing process, in these three different areas, we used to predict or we used to check the quality of the pharmaceutical formulation. One is as a selection of APA. So how we are selecting this good quality of active pharmaceutical ingredient is a matter. If you want to do good formulations, we need to check the quality of active pharmaceutical ingredient. Then after selection of this raw material, it will move to the formulation. It is called as bulk formulation processing. During the bulk formulation processing, we need to check the quality of the particular bulk product. So after APA quality control activities, we are checking the second level quality in the bulk formulations. During the bulk formulations, during the bulk product, it may a granules form or a before punching, before coating, or after coating, or before packing. These are the different areas we use to check the quality of the bulk product actually. So first category, APA quality control was over. The second category, during the process of bulk formulations, we are checking the quality. And finally, as a finished product, we need to check the quality with the help of different QC techniques. And this is the routine process. Then the formulations will go for packing. After the packing, it will reach to the warehouse, and through the warehouse, after the warehousing period, it will reach to the market actually. This is the basic process in the pharmaceutical formulations or dosage forms, how reaching to the patient. And we have to give enough assurance for the quality and safety. This is the need of every monograph in this universe. One is safety, another one is quality. We cannot compromise on the safety of the formulation or quality of the formulations. So in this quality control, we are doing major three categories. We can tell. One is spectroscopic methods, and another one is chromatography techniques. The third category, electrochemical method of analysis. In this, the fourth category we have volumetric analysis. It is outdated technique actually. Based on the volumetric analysis reports, we are not prescribed or we are not giving any kind of certificate for the formulations. But this is one of the quality control aid. This technique we are using for the complexometric technique. In this complexometric technique is one of the type under volumetric analysis. In this complexometric technique, we are using this technique for specifically for any metal salt estimation or identification purpose we are using. If you want to estimate any magnesium sulfate or calcium carbonate, kind of any metallic salt, these complexometric technique we are using actually. Here the titrate, normally we are using disodium EDTA as a titrate we are using. So if you are taken as a sample for any metal salt, metallic salt like magnesium sulfate, copper sulfate, calcium carbonate, if you are taken. So an example, calcium carbonate assay we need to find out, or calcium carbonate purity we want to find out. So So this complexometric technique is very suitable technique. Here, the calcium gluconate was when to react with EDTA, diisolic EDTA, we can perform such experiment. Or if you are taken for any kind of calcium samples, calcium salt, if you are taken, we are allowed to react with this diisolic EDTA as a titrated we are using. In this end of the reactions, we can predict the end point with the help of suitable complexometric indicators we are using. So here, the analytical replace, you can see this equation like calcium ion. It was allowed to react with magnesium EDTA. This calcium ion got replaced in this magnesium ions in this first equations. We can see such any point we can find out with the help of suitable complexometric indicator. And these kind of complexometric reactions will occur only in the pH. The familiar pH is 10. That is the reason we are using ammonia buffer also we are using here. So normally in this complexometric technique, diisolic EDTA we are using as a titrate, sample as a metal salt we are using, and if you want to provide a familiar pH, the buffers we are using here. So these are the three concepts we need to remember. If you are providing for the right pH with the help of ammonia or any other buffers we can use, but we need to maintain the pH. The entire process was above 9 to 10 pH we need to maintain. And diisolic EDTA normally we are using as a titrate here. This strength of diisolic EDTA normally we are preparing for whether it is a molarity or a normality. Like 0.1 or 0.5 molarity we are using normally. These are the standard of the strength we are using for this diisolic EDTA at 0.5 m normally. And we are using different kind of indicators. So these kind of calcium or magnesium or calcium or sodium metal ions can be easily identified this end of the reaction with the help of modern Black T as an indicator we are using. So this is a basic concept here. In this previous sessions we was briefly discussed about complexometry. So now what is the part of complexometric titration in this quality control activities it was explained. So I hope this session was very useful for you. Duration.